because I do love her. This hands that gave life to many. Killed her because of my love for her. Ladies and gentlemen of this honorable court, please listen to me. Listen to my story before you get my verdict. I'm Dr. Reyes, a cancer specialist. I was born in the slum district of Batalon. My father, oh, I don't know him for I'm a child of it. My mother brought me up in sheer determination, and my ambition was to escape the filthy and horrible place of Batalon. I was nourished with hope that someday I might live a life different from this. My mother had a burning faith that she turned the lives into days. All her efforts were night and vain. We are pushed through with flying colors. My mother, who had given her whole life to me, had tears in her eyes as she pinned the gold medal on my proud chest. Later on, I was sent as a scholar of the Philippines to the United States of America. I embraced my mother tightly as a picture played. Mother! Mother! I whispered, you will always be my best mother in the world. After 4 years, I came back with laurels. I became a cancer specialist. I gave my mother everything. But I was too late. I would use this the pain of many. Came too late for the life of my dying mother. I gave the best treatment, but the grasp of death was so tight around her. My God, look at the years of 10 years of study. If I could not even use it at my father's pain. Then, one night, I heard a strange cry. I ran to her room. And do you love me, Sean? She asked, as I embraced her. Yes, Mother! If only I could get all your pain and agony. Then, if you love me and suffer, heal me, let me die. But Mother, I promise to give life and not to end it. God, she didn't deserve that happiness. She deserves to be happy. I ran to my room and came back to the syringe. Mother, forgive me. God, please understand me. Mother, you must not die. Don't live. I love you. It was only a distilled water. Mother! Mother! No, ladies and gentlemen, give me your verdict. Yes, it was only a distilled water which ended the suffering of my mother.